Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to coat any type of bare metal with paint, then you really want to make sure you do your prep work and prime it correctly. So I want to show you this Rust-Oleum primer. This is a self-etching primer, and this does two things. It etches and primes in one step, and it also helps to prevent rust. So it is a great all-in-one product. It's really easy to use. You just use it like any other can of spray paint, and it provides a great surface to apply your top coat afterwards. So it comes out of the can really easily. It sprays nice and smooth, and it leaves a nice coat, and it dries really quickly as well. So we paired this with a Rust-Oleum high gloss enamel spray paint to finish, and it did a great job, and we're really happy with the results. So if you're looking to prepare some bare metal with a etching and primer all in one, then I would definitely check out this Rust-Oleum. We are really happy with these results, and that's my point of view.